Another payroll week and other economic data. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. After the USA, now eyes turn on the Eurozone CPI data this week to see whether in Europe also it will raise above the central bank's target as United States or not. On the other hand, with the new version of the coronavirus in Southeast Asia, we have to see what is going on there. While economic data with the event of the week, NFP data, will move the markets in the week ahead. Let's take a short look on the week ahead and what we are going to see. Number 1. Chinese PMI data Monday. While Monday is a Memorial Day in the US and a banking holiday in the UK, Chinese manufacturing and composite PMI will get the market attention. USD weakness and a better recovery in China brought the Chinese yuan to its highest level since 2018 against US dollar. The current strong yuan is not what the People's Bank of China wants to see. So we have to see what policymakers in the world's largest factory are going to do among economic recovery. USD CNH will be under pressure under 6.43 point. However, any changes in the USD CNH trend needs to recover above 6.55. All depends on a market reaction to Chinese data. Number 2. Australian Reserve Bank meeting. After last week RBNZ meeting, it's RBA turns this week. Last week, the central bank in New Zealand had a little bit hawkish tone in its statement, and now market participants are waiting to see how the Australian bank will react. A relatively low infection cases with the solid economic rebound in Australia, while neighbor country started the hawkish plan, puts the hawkish oil in a stronger position. However, we are not expecting any changes in the central bank's cash rate at 0.10% through mid-2023. But stimulus and purchasing can decline. Australian dollar failing under 0.77 fundamental level and any hawkish policy expected to put the Aussie under pressure and confirm the current technical downtrend. Number 3. OPEC meeting and a big question. OPEC and its allies known as the OPEC Plus will have a meeting on Tuesday. Among increasing demand in the market, investors expected to stay committed to their easing of oil supply curbs. However, the main question in the market is Iran deal with world powers about its nuclear plan. A successful deal will add 2 million barrels a day to the market supply by Iranian output. Oil extended its uptrend rally last week as well, and it's up 30% in 2021 so far. WTI is moving in a clear uptrend, and any number above $62.60 will hold the current uptrend and current direction to see the higher levels. Number 4. Eurozone inflation must be watched closely. After last week's sharp gain of American inflation, this Tuesday odds will be on a Eurozone flash inflation, especially now when the next European Central Bank meeting is getting closer. The Eurozone bloc is approaching the ECB's 2% target, and the fastest inflation growing years become evident after a sharp recovery of oil prices in the past year and the sharp fall of last year's prices. Like Federal Reserve member, ECB members also emphasizing that the inflation rate is a short-lived and the stimulus is still needed to secure the recovery speed. It's expected to see the current newly created downtrend in the Euro-USD chart, especially if Euro breaks under $1.21. Number 5, and finally Friday, an event of the week. NFP. This Friday, we will know the answer of this question. How fast is the US recovery? As every first Friday of the month, this week also we have to watch the US monthly job reports closely. Last month, non-farm payrolls added about 266,000 jobs, much less than 1 million market estimates. And now, it's expecting to have 600 to 800,000 new jobs in May. With Friday in this line, SP 500 is just 0.7% lower than its May 4 records high, and it's still trading above the trend line and both moving averages. With estimated data, SP 500 and other US leading indices are also expecting to raise and see the new records high. Thanks for watching this video and hope you are having an amazing weekend.